the Egyptian vulture, the last remaining vulture in Albania. When I was young, my feathers were dark. Now I am really beautiful. I am easily distinguishable. I have a yellow face. My beak is slightly curved at the tip. My body is white, and my wings are black and white. I am very clever. I can use tools. I can crack open ostrich eggs by using stones. And very important for nature, I clean it from dead animals and without disease. Our numbers are declining with each passing day. We used to be present all over Albania, while today we only live in the Vjosa Valley. Our family in Albania is comprised of 6 breeding pairs and 3 solitary individuals. I travel approximately 7,000 kilometers to come here. We are rare and globally endangered birds. We winter in Africa and return every year to breed in Albania. During our journey on both ends, we face many dangers. Poisoning, collision with power lines and electric shocks, and many other perils. We need your care. You can help by contacting the AOS specialists in case you spot an Egyptian vulture individual or something that endangers it, or by sharing my story with others. I believe in you.